friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mutton Maggi noodles. Very delicious and quick recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 3 cups of water in a pan and 1 Maggi noodles cake. Cook for 2 minutes until the noodles is nicely done. Remove from water and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, heat a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped capsicum. Saute it for a few seconds. Then go ahead and add the sliced mutton pieces and mix it well. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then go ahead and add a teaspoon of tomato ketchup and mix it well. Now it's time to add the cooked Maggi. Also add the Maggi taste maker. Mix it well. Continue to roast in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles is nicely roasted and dry. Now it's all ready to enjoy. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious and easy recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.